An unprecedented leak turning the country upside down. Protesters taking to the streets coast to coast after hearing that the nation's highest court could be ready to overturn Roe versus Wade.
This is a live look in Washington, D.C. tonight, right outside the U.S. Supreme Court. Things are quiet now, but there's been plenty of strong reaction over how this decision could change our country. And there are still a lot of questions about what would happen here in Florida if Roe v. Wade is overturned. Good evening, I'm John Brown.
Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Luann Sorrell. Fox 35's Lyric Greenberg is live in downtown Orlando, where a protest did take place here earlier today. So, Lyra, what are the experts telling you tonight?
Well, Luann and John, as you mentioned, there were hundreds of people right here outside City Hall earlier this evening rallying for abortion rights. And we did talk to them and to experts about what this could mean for Florida and how it invigorates the election in November. With abortion rights supporters up in arms over a leaked Supreme Court draft that indicates Roe versus Wade will be overturned.
It was just kind of jaw-dropping, even though we knew it was coming.
Many are getting activated.
My body, my choice.
And lawyers are bracing themselves.
It's going to open up a lot of different litigation here.
The potential overturn of Roe versus Wade does not mean abortions would be illegal. It means each individual state could decide what they'd like to do about abortion moving forward. Legal Analyst Whitney Boan says Governor DeSantis and Florida's Republican legislature will likely take the recently signed 15-week abortion ban even further.
I would expect that in the meantime, certainly the legislature and the governor are going to be pushing very hard for there to be an outright ban.
That, she says, would lead to lots of litigation in Florida in the next several months.
This is definitely going to become a lot more complicated.
That complication has abortion rights supporters worried.
If we don't mobilize and get to the polls, I genuinely think that this is just going to continue to grow, and it's going to be a snowball effect for all of the other issues and policies that have all of my rights involved.
But still fired up and motivated.
The little victories are going to have to sustain us for a while as we move forward.
Now, the final draft on this Roe versus Wade decision is not expected for several more weeks, but coming up at 11, we'll have some more information on what this can, how this can impact Florida politically moving forward. For now, we are live in downtown Orlando. Lyra Greenberg, Fox 35 News.
Thanks, Lara. Also today.